No, it's true. I don't know if it has gotten to your side. Things are expensive. One I like say, no, things are expensive. 100 naira bread now is now 200 naira. Una no. One I do like this now. 100 naira bread is now 200. Now Acapella is 20,000, 30,000. Things are expensive. No matter toothpaste would they buy before will be 300. Hey, do something. Now it's not 400 to prostitute. We go use one to kill each other for this country. That is government don't give us no smart. If you near me, look me. If you near me, no man knows mass of 50 naira. Knows mass is now how much now? 100 naira. In some places they sell it 500 naira for you. Things are expensive, which is wrong. Normal polo, sir. Normal polo before. Normal polo, 10K. Now polo is like 15K, 25K for original polo. Me and person who can't get misunderstanding, you go on my clothes. I'll blow you for her. Things are expensive. So how much is condom before? Condom. No, they do like say no, they use them. How much is condom before? Normal condom 100 naira. Now condom is 200. The original one 15. Things are expensive, and still yet you'll be seen unwanted pregnancy. Condom 15. How much lubricant? Normal lubricant before. Lubricant 500. Now lubricant is 25. No wonder hustler use speed. If you don't understand that joke, leave am. Terraculture is not for you. You need to day Ejigbo. Sir, do you know what money is? Now lack of money, they make you carry charger, go everywhere. You know they take a C socket. You don't plug. Poverty. Oh, it's like people don't understand the meaning of poverty. Poverty is when you live in one room. One room. Your girlfriend find you come. Your wicked landlady go come go window go they tell you, hello. Someone there to go in. This Lagos. Don't let it. Oh, please, if you stay on the island here, God will bless you. You are staying in the right place. You are staying in the right place. When I mean island, I mean the heart of island. Heart of island. I know the heart of island. What they tell you, I mean places like from VI, Ikoyi, Lekki Phase 1. It ends in Chevron. Island for Chevron, oh. Anything Lakwe, Bogije, Awoyaya, come on, get out. Now, if you are also staying in the heart of mainland, you are staying in the right place. Heart of mainland. I mean, Aderoro Gusoya, Masha, Kilo. Are you hearing me now? Are you hearing me? Aguda. Those are places. Anything Lawansin. Yanoitire. You know, say that Yanoitire, you go see 3 bedroom, 200,000. They no born you and make you go house successfully. You must call somebody. Hello? Oh, say they no fight today. Yanoitire is the only place where you are going to your house. You will park your car for kilo. Use Okada, they go house. Highland. This was the same island I came to, sir. Do you know on the island, whenever it rains, all the old ATM machine pays? I don't know if you've noticed. All the old ATM machine pays. Recently, I saw a man got down from his G-Wagon, got into an ATM spot, brought out his card, slot it in, typed his PIN. Before you know, the way machine take counting money, go no say money day. The man come out take. As the man they go outside, now me I want enter. Now ask him just one question. Sorry, sir, is it dispensing? If you see voice. Yes. Is dispensing. I know say money day. I entered there, took my car, typed my PIN. Before you know, money come outside. But before I reach that my stupid area, where God go help me punish. I have know that place they call Ogolonto for Ikorodu. Before I reach there, money don't finish. Ask me can I use another ATM machine where they there. To say I know, I enter. How many of you have noticed that whenever it rains on the mainland, all the ATM machine they shock? No, they do like ATM never shock you before. As I enter, slot my card, type my PIN. Now, don't get it twisted. Don't be the number they shock you. Now the enter button. As I press the As I press enter, the machine carry me. Which kind problem be this? Nah, come on, my car. As I say, make I dey go, one Yoruba woman won't come use. Old woman, no, she won't come use the machine. As she come see me, now ask me,
I'm my picking, saying they pay.
I say, yes, my is paying, but actually, the woman no let me talk.
Can you sing? Say, some of that in the man sing. Cause oh, yes, sir. They look me cold.
The mama go come out her car, shoot inside, type her pin. Immediately she press enter, the machine carry out.
Now do machine. Oh my baby, it's hot new. All alone making we done love. Come back, baby, test. Silence and double.
Now that they are not saying Yoruba no dey let anything happen to them alone. Now do machine.
Kò lè sọ́ọ̀kì mi nìkan o. Iná fi sọ́ọ̀kì oní mi kò sọ́ọ̀kì ọlọ́fẹ́ sí o.
Instead of the mama to go, she stand near the machine. From nowhere, one Igbo boy come use the machine. As the Igbo boy reach, see the woman now answer, Madam, sorry, is the machine dispensing? The woman reply,
He dey wanky. Ọ̀sánwó lálọ́.
And the Igbo boy go spread. Come out in car, shook his head, type in pin. As the boy press enter, the machine carry up. Now the boy provoke, Madam, what rubbish is this now? Why not told me say this machine the chalk? Now the woman reply,
He don't suck you too. Ó suck me now. You wanna dúró ọmọ Calabar ń bọ̀. Indigo kenu.
How y'all doing? I greet you, my brother. Wow. Man, feels good to be in Lagos. Very sweet. This life, no balance. So as they come from Benin, na road we use. All these Yahoo boys where they shout, now we they run this town. The guy they sing, now we they run this town. Yahoo boy. As we approach checkpoint, then the guy was holding the whole two iPhone 13. Then as we see police, then the guy carried the two phone, give one old woman where sit down near us. We reach checkpoint, now police say everybody come down. They search everybody. They search the boy, they see torchlight, they say enter. They search the old woman, they see two iPhone 39, they say, woman, step down. Boss, go. Woman, stay. Tears. As the boss, they go, the boy no face front, now back the boy, they look, the boy, they go front. Tears. Baba, nothing pain, pass say, person dash you money for the presence of only they owe money. And you don't tell and say, once money touch my hand, and now money don't touch your hand, you no gree drop am. This life, eh? But why? Who make that law? Why be say no man dey buy condom around any pharmacy where they near your house? Don't notice am? Nobody patronize the pharmacy around him for condom. You always drive far. Why? No be say your wife go buy malaria drugs the next morning. Nurse come say, Madam, please take this 100 naira change for your husband. He buy condom last night. And so me and Basha, your wife they say condom, you won't buy condom, you go another pharmacy go buy. Patronize your wife. And who they go buy condom and it's never in a hurry. Nurse go say, sir, you say don't worry, attend to them, I'm here. And they can never be straightforward. What do you want buy a condom we will watch? Sir, what do you want? Do you have vitamin C? Give me. Flyg? Give me 2. Do you have paracetamol? Bring 1. All right. Give me that one. The nurse she'll come turn. Sir, which one? You say no. Go up. She'll go. Okay, go left. All right, that one. What do you want use condom and vitamin C do? Man, to go rugged do. But it's all good. Now, before I go, to borrow money they sweet to, but now that payback, now just spoil them. You know if they work for civil service, months end they can far. But once you just borrow for money from person say as months end up, before you know month don't end. And to collect money from all these guys so they change money, it can sweet, eh? Give me. And when you want to transfer, give them, because they hear English. When did this happen? Sir, no, how come? All right, okay, wait. What is your rate? Sir, 10K is 18K. If I didn't try, man, clap for me now. Lagos Church is sweet, oh. See Lagos Church prayer point. Pastor will come, he will give you Bible verse. Let's all rise up and say, the Bible says 10,000 shall fall by your right, 1 million by your left, and they shall not hurt you. Begin to pray according to God's word, that as they come near you, they will fall. You go to your prayer point. Father, as they come near me, let them fall. Let them fall. Let them fall. Church don't end. Bini, if they never give you story, we go threaten you. Prayer not go start. Oh. Now, Bini pastor go just come. Ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, listen to me. Listen to me. Somebody will buy a fowl in January. In January, the person will give the fowl food. In February, give the fowl food. In March, give the fowl food. August, give the fowl food. September, give the fowl food. October, November, December, to the point that if the fowl see the man coming back from work, he will be happy. He will be dancing because he's expecting food. He will be happy. Then on December 24th, the man will not kill the fowl. Ladies and gentlemen, anybody feeding you to kill you. Lagos, good night. Thank you very much. God bless you.
If you get a woman, hold on tight.
See the bunch now, when the bunch they rain, he too proud. Not, I'm the bunch, skip, he don't answer any name. He don't care because he knows we go still one. I'm the bunch, skip, Mesa, Acapella. Yeah. When Nigerians forget that, they beg us, everybody Google the banjo. It's not. I see some things for news for Nigeria, they shock me. They'll say a Nigerian man commits suicide. Why you dey hurry? Nigeria for still kill you. So it just after I say Nigeria no dey work. Work when Nigeria won't do now, they help and do it. Nigeria will kill you. This Nigeria, wait till they work the way they work. Don't be this Nigeria. Do you know that in this country, if government see crude oil for your backyard, you know so now government get them. My brother, I need the government see you go, now your own. You tell government how you go take your backyard. Why they not ask you where crude oil pass come? That's why in only Nigeria, you go see Nigerian girl, ask her, do you smoke? He go say no, only shisha. Shisha and alcohol. They know they smoke them. You know, so the average Nigerian, every Nigerian does a para. It is an clear eye, Ojuku wife. They slap governor wife. Mama don't give up. The country don't tire everybody. But he said they say Ojuku na hero. Ojuku no try. I go die, leave that kind of woman. FMV, if I marry that kind of wife, if I die, leave a man, die. Are they mad? You don't look things for Nigeria, everybody just this strand, everybody's confused. You don't ever hold your phone. You got to see different things. Update Instagram, update Facebook. You know, so I hold my phone one day now, see update Bible. I say, wait till Solomon don't do again. Wait till happen afresh, where would the update for? Wait till Solomon do new. Because to be honest, that Solomon, unless the story no clear, I person will get 1,000 women, only 3 children. How? No baby planning, no, it's only one. No, that story, I see they look up. In fact, there are many things in the Bible where they look, say, they don't really document. Like that arrest where they arrest Jesus, he showed me die. Say they don't arrest Jesus several other times before they kill him. Because now carpenter, you don't delay person work. Now Papa Joseph go call someone and leave and he just say they preach, they work. No time. What people can argue, that's the problem, they argue more argument. Especially how much Ronaldo and Messi they collect. I don't know how poor men they take the comfortable discussion. Just say, boy, don't hear how much happy Ronaldo last week. There go come finish, go ask you, Baba, you go pass Chevron. They don't drop me for you will buy Ronaldo last week. Now me go drop you. Like no get sense. Just one. Women own it. Now they own everything. Now that's why it makes me laugh when they say it's a man's world. The reason why women allow that thing they fly, now because they favor them. Now women get the word though. Like normally, check the scenario as a man. FMV is a married man. He's my friend. You know if you just wake up out of boredom, nothing happened, don't go ask your wife, are you cheating on me? From where? she don't start crying. Now you go begin apologize. Your wife fit just dey bored. Nothing they go on. No. You just say, babe, my instinct does not lie. Once women don't bring instinct, but I don't lose the case. Your instinct now from above. My instinct does not lie. Are you cheating on me? Baba, you try to explain yourself. You favor them. Do you know that if you try to touch, if your wife try to touch you, you no agree? Sorry. If you try to touch your wife, she no agree. That means she's not in the mood. If your wife try to touch you, you no agree. That means say they sleep with another one. And a man's water, they deceive you. Now then get everything. You favor them. Check everywhere now. Your mother could say, this breast I fed you 9 months. Your father don't talk that kind of thing before. You now you got the emotionally blackmailed, you got the Sam, sorry. No, women are crazy. Sorry. Happy Mother's Day. I wanted to say Happy Mother's Day.
I don't know why if say native doctor from Hollywood and they call poison. Why they call it substance? Woman go to collect poison when go give him husband. He go, here, take this substance. Deposit a little quantity in his meal. Stir it a little and watch him eat. You start speak English, now they live inside bush. But now they try. So they watch movies the other day, one guy, they cross me road for part 1, to jam and me, die instantly, die. For part 2, I was shocked. That same guy, they do traditional marriage, that same guy, they on that canopy, they drink Fanta. What's going on? Where ghosts, they look road before he cross. And you see, make I won't ask for this big man. Why be say, no matter how big you dey, all on a gate man house get order. Why? If your gate man house get fresh air, go raise up your hand. Get all get. Who they squat? They raise up hand, sha. This life. This show, I just choose my comedy friends who no go stress me, understand me. The people they find music. The few musicians who don't perform now, my guys. They no go stress me because my comedian friends, they know they charge. They no go charge you much. They no go stress you. Some of them themselves since morning I no call them, but they came. Musicians, You know that if you want to carry Davido from Lagos to Port Harcourt, first of all, on a private jet, they will come day 11 full arm. Nothing then they walk over. One go just go flash drive. The other one go hold bottle water. The other one go hold half Hennessy. One go hold laptop. DJ know they there one they go. They come land Port Harcourt, they come give them one room. Especially that way they do Amlu. You shall just stress us. Don't be say P Square that time, Root Boy. Thank God say they don't come back. They sing song that is in a gospel music. Hallelujah, hey, now God they do, hey, hallelujah. I think they want to say not settle with him brother. Listen now here. Now so they get this scatter the waist. Say now God they do. How do you sing that? Well, I mean they just come at the point one place, see Mary, see Jesus. Still now Zacchaeus will not see. Not be this small in the list where you're proud. Ordinary things they push me again. When you see hold on. I'm Igbo and I tell you for truth, Flavor is the best artist in the world. Take it or leave it. Because Flavor gets anything, get waiting to talk for every condition when you find yourself. I MC one traditional marriage somewhere for Anambra. I was the MC. And then a big man daughter wedding. Flavor day live band. You know, say when big men they do event, they like me celebrities day everywhere. So boss don't carry celebrities from hotel, come venue. Now they announce their arrival. As I look the first person for the boss, now I introduce, ladies and gentlemen, one of Nollywood's finest. The Ogwego of Nollywood. Make some noise for Kanayo, oh Kanayo. As Flavor here and I Flavor begins saying, Professor Tiwelu Masunofe, Anti-Mela. Don't be silly about Juju Kobiwe. That guy sit down. Now look the next person. Now I introduce, ladies and gentlemen, small but mighty, a woman with a golden voice. Make some noise for Miss Kedike Chidima. I Flavor shout, oh Lord, Ufe, angel of my life. Two of them begin singing. We say no be on a wedding, drop mic. When I look again, the third person, very versatile. very endowed, a good wife. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Mercy Johnson. I flavor Siana. Uku sarambana di mumano shake him. When I look the next person, no more. This one the dress more. I say, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Kosi Ojako. Na him flavor shaka. La da go. Okay, what hey, now I look the boss, so then call the men about 3 people. 2, I see 2, two women. Wear them see antennae. They say 2 of them they dress like woman, like man. So then wear jean, tie to rag. So as I introduce 2 of them, ladies and gentlemen, wear them see antennae. Now flavor shot to be a man. To be a man is not a day job. Everybody say. As I say, make I call the next person on stage. The next thing I feel begin shout, Borokotom, boom boom, Awusha, Ashawo, Awusha, as I turn. That person wanna the think, and I me at the think. Lagos, good night. God bless you all.
M.O.P. they talk about Igbo events now, flavor. The worst people in Igbo events are the MCs. This guy where they announce peacefully, if you know you're the owner, if na Igbo event, you go hate announcement. First of all, if na for Abuja, in the suite, Abuja, you know even who they make the announcement. You will just hear in voice, big man voice. Sorry, please go to pilot 1 of the Honorable Commissioner on Finance, go and report for the Honorable Commissioner on Education. Because everybody for Abuja na commissioner. Even dog where they carry for motor come na commissioner on dog affairs. When I Port Harcourt people, Ikore people, they like me their name, they plate number. You go here, Ikore make away, I beg the owner of the car with customized registration number. Eze, Omanya number, Omaputama, Panamri, Maputako, Mapanoko. One of them there, please go and report for Chief Omotai 32. Often them one will be more was. The owner will go and report. Calabar people go not chop dog meat, they don't even see waiting the right for the paper. Okay, no see waiting the radio, Toro. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the back, make another verse. If you know say now you pack that can I pep for that young son. Your plate number AB528 iyo. I bet go come on that place I will come on I won't pack him okara nang nang. You go and pack. The worst are Enugu people. Enugu men, you know consign them whether you they understand their language. Now one old man go come, they confuse everybody. They shout for MC. MC gonna carry melulu. Gonna carry melulu the bad what after like but then the announcement then you go. He came in shy all the very bad. He go collect mic. We confuse they look up. He go start. Ladies and gentlemen, you know like MC local or wa. Ema long bonye park lock benwe. Number moto go on ENU 5576 Sankana because I educate a fry but na can park lock the very bad. Everybody go confused. Owerri people worst, say worst. Anyway, Owerri is a very nice place. Owerri is the only place where I see Ron's girl where we are in Chicago come out. I mean, they wonder, is this a traditional prime minister of Ron's girls? How do you even have a conversation with this guy Ron's girl where we are in Chicago? Maybe na cola you go give him. Then I don't know. Ron's girls they try you. And when they beat them small, yes, they collect money for this Lagos. Please, if you know any Ron's girl, tell her to meet me. I need to address them during their annual Ron's Girls conference. Yeah, they need to do some things right. They are getting it wrong. I just came back. I came back from Turkey. DBBK, should I proceed, sir? You know, say for abroad, girls they charge money. Do you know what it means? They take money. Naija here, you guys, if you're Ron's girl, I need to give you some ideas. Ron's girls, you guys need to come together and have a union. Wanna produce app. All this, how much for a night? No, you don't need to negotiate. The app go determine. It go be like Taxify. The app name go be Sexify. Yeah, you wanna go see the art very soon now. We are working on it. Are you a lady? Are you disappointed that men carry you at cheap prices? Are you tired of standing by the road? Download your app today, Sexify. Men not gonna stress ourselves. We just stay hotel room, book your girl. Your girl arrives in 5 minutes. We go there room, the microwave engine. Come on, get ready to work. If you get reach your room, nobody all this. Okay, let's go out. No, sir, can I start your trip? 2 minutes, men like us, now we gonna enjoy. We'll start trip. And trip, how much? 400. If promo day, oh, SS money. In promo day, more than another, you people are confused. Just pick out the bundles, I'm sure of them, eh? All these ones where they spray na M.O.P on. 6 now, 1 now. This one are 2 minutes, man. They do them quick. Nah, joke shot. So now we gonna enjoy. Then all these 2 hours, men. I don't come quick. Behold, you don't know me. Mazin Mike, anyo. No problem. Start trip. Do. End trip 1.2 million. Now that time when you go see men, they negotiate with get. Nah, I don't trust this app. Can we do this thing offline now? Thank you guys very much. Appreciate it.
I swear to God, my mama say, "Bia we dey armpit, no say eyelashes na senior boy." Because the one wey dey armpit, then they shave am. Eyelash na since we small till now. They whine me. No for you. I say Nigeria is blessed. My mama, as a young woman here, yeah. My mama say, avoid any man with a piece on top toilet seat. Because those kind of men need a feed day with one woman. If you no fit control or blah blah when you see toilet seat, how you want to control and when you see woman. Wisdom. No for you. I said this country is blessed too. Hey, not be small thing wey happen just 3 days ago. 3 days ago, somebody come post blue film for our church WhatsApp group. And man of God, our pastor did the WhatsApp group. You know, say normally all those kind of things, once they enter first, when everybody don't watch and the video will show blue tick. So if they show blue mark, we'll know say even man of God don't see him. Next thing, we expect comments to begin pop up. Somebody, the first comment will appear on a fuck sheet. And a usher, na in type am. So we know say pastor don't see the thing, and pastor say no say we know say he don't see him. So now how to address us? We dey wait for him to address us. That be problem. The first thing we will see now is typing. So that is typing. We just did the cool, the wait first. For church, normally if your name na Johnson and they want address you, they will call you Bro John. If your name na Michael, they want address you, they will call you Bro Mike. And the person will post the blue film in name na Cosmos. Now pastor type Bro Cos. Oh boy, group scatter. I'ma leave this country. Now this Lagos with day, I go wedding on Saturday, then they share food, share salad, give one girl, the girl use a bar, swallow am. And now the girl come the vex pass, so the vex for who give her the salad. Excuse me, can I talk to you? Why? No, what? Just why? Why would you people give me vegetable soup that you did not warm? Then they warm salad. I say the country is blessed. You know, say normally get some set of people we need to appreciate for this country. Everybody will come out and say, clap your hands for men, clap your hands for women, doctors, lawyers. Nobody don't ever come outside and appreciate Ashawo. No, at the top of my mind, if some of the men we dey here, we will know ourselves. We know. Say nobody do ever. It's not good. That's the oldest profession, Abi. Yes, Ashawo na the oldest profession. Even for Bible, now Ashawo use her hair clean Jesus' leg. You don't see Jesus before. Ashawo don't see him. I said this country, I said the way your pikin take sleep for night, take wake up for morning, and so you go know wetin your pikin go be for future. If you lie and down normal, the pikin wake up there and a normal pikin. But if you lie and down for night, you hear, you know say that pikin go sabi gossip. But if you lie and down now before morning, you see and the pikin don't roll come here, you know say you go sabi waka. But if you lie the pikin down normal before morning, you see pikin like this. My brother, you don't burn a shower. This country is blessed. Now before I leave here, they say if you're not good, sometimes when they talk, some people will say, this one don't smoke it good, this one. If you're not good for your brain, quit. Well done. Senior man. Normally, if you're not good for your brain, quit. Now true. My uncle from Port Harcourt, every time they smoke it go, he can't reach Lagos here. Come tell me, say, oh boy, I want smoke. I say, Baba, waiting that they smoke here and are loud. He say, no worry, if I smoke and loud, go low. We say, okay. I can't carry the guy from Chevron, we go reach phase 1. After he don't smoke finish, one go house, he say, na me go drive. I say, how? He say, wetin dey worry? I say, no, like, he enter car, begin drive. As he dey drive, we don't drive reach Chevron roundabout, full express. My uncle stop car, open door, come down, throw back flip, enter car, close am, begin drive. Now I say, uncle, why you go enter, come down, throw back? He say, since why I dey drive, my mind they tell me he cannot do backflip, he cannot do backflip, he cannot do back. I say, man, stop, fuck him up, your mind.